Hey everyone, I just wanted to jump on here and share a few things about the upcoming workshop that I have, Become a Published Author. It is next Friday, the 16th from 9 to 2, right here in Winchester. And I've received a couple messages that have said, hey Crystal, is this a real deal or is this one of those Become a Published Author scams? And I will tell you that I am real, and this is the real deal, guys. This is a copy of my book, The Power of No, that I've written and published. This is a copy of Caregiving with Confidence, who Pam Reynolds wrote and published after coming to our last Become a Published Author workshop. This is a copy of my Amazon bestseller, guys, and in the workshop, I'm going to tell you exactly how I became a best-selling author and how you can too. This is an adventure of our own, if you know her, Miss Alicia Newcomer. Again, she came to our workshop and published her book. This is a copy of Breakup Breakthroughs, written by none other than Dr. Sherry Yoder. This is my latest book. It's a hefty one, y'all. It's like 300 pages. This is my latest book, Business 101, and I have so many others. Look, those are all paper books. Here's a hardback book. Look, y'all, this is another one of my books. I've written and published them all. I've walked so many others through the journey of writing and publishing their books. It is the real deal. And in the workshop, I'm going to not only walk you through paperback, I'm going to walk you through hardback. I'm going to walk you through how to create an ebook and even how to create an audible. Guys, if you want The Power of No, you can get it on Audible on Amazon. And I'm going to share all of that with you in this workshop. And here's maybe the coolest part of this workshop. 100% of the donations made to this workshop are going to go to a local woman in need. And yes, I said donations. I am not charging for this. All that I ask is that you make a donation, whatever your budget will allow. Just make a donation so we can help support this local woman who's in a dire need right now. And it gives us the ability to come together as a community, help a woman in need locally, and it gives you the opportunity to become a published author and publish that book that you've always said that you wanted to write. I've always wanted to write a book. Well, now's your opportunity to do that, and without paying me. And by the way, I'm also going to share with you how you can do it for free. Yes, I said for free. You heard that right. So I'm going to show you how to upload your book in Amazon for free. I'm going to show you how to create a cover in Amazon for free. I'm going to show you how once you upload it, within 24 hours, sometimes 48, your book is live, which means it's available for sale and for you to make money. You have no responsibility when it comes to printing. You have no printing, no shipping, no manufacturing, no distribution, no customer service. Amazon handles all of that. You literally upload your manuscript, create a free cover, create some keywords. I'm going to show you how to do that. You want to be a best-selling author, right? And within 24 to 48 hours, with $0 out of your pocket, other than the kind donation that you're going to make to this woman in our community, please and thank you, you can become a published author. One more thing. I want to share with you that there's also no ongoing costs. So Amazon handles everything, the printing, the manufacturing, the distribution, the customer service, and you will never have to buy a book. You don't have to buy books, go around selling your books, right? You literally upload your manuscript, do all the things on the back end, and then Amazon just sends you a check every month. It's pretty incredible. So if you're ready to finally write that book, the one you've been talking about, thinking about, and saying that you're going to write, this is your opportunity. So here's what you do. I'm going to drop a link in the comments of this video. That link, you're going to click on it. It's going to take you to Eventbrite. You're going to make a donation, and that's it. That donation is going to reserve your seat at our upcoming workshop for you to finally become a published author. Now, let me tell you, I think we have 11 seats left. We're limiting it to 20 because I want to make sure everybody gets the individual attention that they need and everybody's able to work through the process and get the most value and really become ready to publish their book. So that's all you need to do. Click on the link. It'll take you to Eventbrite. Make a donation. Help us support this wonderful woman who's in need right now. And I am so excited to see who our next published authors are going to be.